Hello, myself Rutuja Murray. Today's my topic name is a inheritance in a Java. So the inheritance is a key of features in a Java object that is programming in the object-oriented programming that is allow a class to known as a subclass or a child to the inherit field of the method from the another class. So the known it is a known as a inheritance. So the superclass or a parent class is a superclass or a parent class is a selected code through the rules and the established the natural hierarchy behavior classes. So the key concept of the inheritance is a superclass parent class, this class from the which this properties class from the property which is a behavior method are inherited and contains a common attributes and the method that will be shared with the derived classes. The subclass means a child class that the inherits the properties from the another class and the superclass and the field and the methods as well as override the inherited method and provide a specific behavior where extended care is used in inheritance to create a subclass of the class. It indicates that the subclass is inheriting the properties of the method and the superclass method overriding. In a method overriding it allows a subclass and provide a specific implementation of the method already defined in a superclass and this method are a subclasses should have the same name and return type of the parameter as the method in a Java is a in a Java in a superclass that can be super keyword is referred to the immediate and used to class. Superclass method is a constructor from a subclass and it is used to access a superclass field method. Superclass field methods and that are hidden by the subclass field or the method. Subclass field or the method polymorphism is allows a object to be treated as an instance of their superclasses and rather than their actual class is enabled to a single interface to and represent the different underlying forms. Data types are in a inheritance data type different data type are used. Abstract class and a method. Abstract class cannot be initialized directly. It may be contain the abstract method and the methods without implementation that must be implemented via subclasses. Practical the use cases is a code reusability and it can be right in the superclass must be reused by subclasses. The uses of the inheritance is a reduce a code redundancy, enhance the maintainability. Class hierarchy establishes the natural hierarchy, making the code based and easier to manage and promote a structured approach to coding by categorizing the similar classes together and another is a method overriding and a dynamic method in this they are a subclass can provide a specific implementation and for the methods defined in the superclass. Java supports the dynamic method and the where method are used to be executed in a determined at the runtime on the object of the actual class. Object of the actual class. Real world example is a conceptual view, is a conceptual. So the example of the real time is a animal is a generated. The concept of the animal which as it can be contain the common properties like the name, age, age, etc. Name, age, and they are a eat, sleep. So the subclass is a dog. So the dog are involving in a inherited. The animal class is specified as a properties like breed, overload, overrides, and eat method, etc. and involved in a this. So the example of the inheritance are dogs. Dogs inherited the properties of eat, sleep, and age, etc. Thank you.